Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east on Seaview Drive towards Coombs Avenue. Turning onto Coombs Avenue. On the right is Gulf Avenue. Coombs Avenue ends, and just ahead is the Galena Main Road. Going right will take you to Race Course, Aracabessa, Boscobel, Ocharios, Montego Bay and Negril. Going left will take you to Castle Garden District, Port Maria, Anata Bay, Port Antonio in Portland Parish, and also to Kingston and St. Andrew via Junction Main Road. To the right is the Galena Primary and Infant School. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.